Hello kids, how are we doing? I wanted to make a video of discussing what this is, because I think it's a bit weird and a bit fun for me. So, this has been sent to us from Oscar at our studios, and he basically sent us a very broken old Mullard MBS7 radio amp thing. So this is all fucked. So the idea was to take this out and put a lovely new valve amp in it, so he could then play guitar into it. So this isn't what it's supposed to do, but we thought we'd try and retrofit it. So it's our radio, has its like on and tuner and volume and all of that kind of stuff. He wanted to make it into a little nice little speaker. So pulled out all the gubbins, but he wanted to keep it as much like it used to be as it was. So from the outside, it's exactly the same as it was before. Nothing's changed. All that we've done is put an input jack socket so we can plug a guitar in and change the mains from really old dangerous 2-pin UK to new 3-pin standard, which you know what it is, which then itself makes it as it was, but you can plug a guitar in. So what we've then done is wired a Palmer Ints 1 15 watt valve amp into it, not 15 watt, 1 watt valve amp into it, and then wired the on switch into it. And then we've got volume and tone, they're all wired to the circuit board, and that then powers the new Jensen 6-inch guitar speaker inside it, so he can then basically have it as a little practice amp. It's totally portable, all nice and small. So it's only on lazy Susan, which means it can spin around, which is all quite nice. And then in the back, if I can get this open, which I probably can't, like you do, I'll show you what's in here. Because basically we took what should be its own little valve head thingy and put it in this own vintage thing to give it a nice bit of character. So that pops off, and then you can then see inside the new speaker and the new valve amp. So what we've done is, sorry Palmer, I've destroyed it, but it's better, I promise. Took it all apart, wired what I needed to, and basically then wired in the new speaker, new input, new mains, and all the controls to the top panel. So basically it then is disguised as a radio. What it can also do, which is a bonus, is we've wired the speaker input to be removable, speaker output to be removable, so you can then use the existing ones out of the amp and then run that into external cabs. So you can then run a nice valve amp straight into cabs wherever you want to go. So it has an 8 ohm and a 16 ohm out, but it also has a high Z output, which means it can run into another amplifier, so you can run it as basically a drive channel into an amplifier into a cab. So this is a pretty fun little box of chaos, really. But the great thing is, it all hides away. Ooh, drop it again. All goes in there. Sits in there. Nice little balance. So, fun little job. Nice little radio that is now a guitar amp, but will look like a radio in his lovely studio. So, go follow Oscar at his studios, and I'd like to do more of these. So, if anyone wants any, let's make some. Bye, kids.